Sophie here, and I am sitting with a new friend, but a friend who I have to say is total and utter soul sister, like-minded. We've just met, we had lunch last week, and we absolutely love each other. Fellow nutritionist. I'll tell them a little bit more about you in a second. But what we're going to be talking about today is 10 top detox foods. And you're going to want to stick around to the end of this video because the most important food is going to be the last food discussed. Okay, so Elissa, say hello to everybody.
Hello, everyone. I'm so excited to be on your channel. I follow you and I actually stalk you, and you just do some fabulous work.
As do you. So fellow nutritionist, holistic nutritionist, and cleanse expert. So we are actually sitting at Focus Entertainment Studios in Los Angeles. I will put a link to Focus Entertainment underneath this video because you need to check them out. They've got some amazing experts there. I'm also going to put links to everything that Elissa does, most notably your soup cleanse. So we're talking about detoxing today, but just very quickly, tell everybody about what this whole soup cleanse thing is.
Souping is the new juicing, as they say these years, but we, like we talked about, we love keeping the fiber in the food and the nutrients, that's so crucial. So I do a soup cleanse that I cook and deliver to about 50 people every other week in Los Angeles. So it's about 100 people a month. It's soups, it's salads, it's lattes, tonics, fermented veggies. It's just a full-on eating program. It's not anything about deprivation or starvation. I don't believe in that. It's just it's vegan. You're getting tons and tons of vegetables because we don't eat enough vegetables. And that is really the pillar of life.
Yeah, it is.
So I've been doing it for 4 years and absolutely love it. I love cooking for people.
Do you deliver outside of LA?
I do not.
Oh,
I know.
That's gonna. I had to answer that question because I know that's probably the main question that everybody's going to be asking at home.
Yeah, but on the site, I have a 21-day cleanse with some great recipes.
So you can DIY it at home.
Do it
perfect.
Yeah, and I'm coming out with a 7-day, which is very close in a couple of weeks to the soup cleanse. Super easy recipes and all different types of health and nutrition tips. So you'll be able to download that and get a lot of information from that.
Fantastic.
So, yes.
So let's get into the top 10 detox foods. Do you want to go first?
Sure. I had cancer when I was 32, which we'll probably talk about another time, but I healed myself from juicing. I love greens, and so I juice a lot of times in the morning, greens, all kinds of greens, spinach, kale, arugula, dandelion greens, celery, cucumber. I feel like it's a natural vitamin mineral that goes into the bloodstream right away, and it also cleanses your blood.
Great. That's wonderful. So that is detox food number 1 is a variety of dark leafy greens, juiced or smoothied.
Exactly. Yes. Right. Smoothie too. Yes. So you do for some reason I'm a juice girl, but you could do either. Yeah, they're both great.
And do you do it every morning?
I do it almost every morning.
And look at her. I mean, look at her. She's so beautiful in the flesh. I mean, inside and out, but you really truly are. And full on, cancer survivor and Hashimoto's, which we're going to be talking about in the other videos that we do. So make sure you don't miss those other videos in this series. So I'll go next with one of my top detox foods, and I'm going to go with raw beet. I love raw beet. I think beet is so good for the liver, for thinning the bile, and our liver and our bile is, a significant part of our detoxification system. And so I am going to, I'm afraid, go with raw. So you are better with the raw because it has all the enzymes in it. What I do is I'll take, if I'm really feeling like I'm in need of some detoxification, I'll do a small beet a day, a raw one. I'll grate it or do it very thinly on a mandolin, so it's like a carpaccio. You can add it to a salad, a little bit of lemon juice, some toasted walnuts, absolutely delicious. So that's number 2. Number 3, onto you, girl. Onto you.
Wow. I love beets as well. My fiance does not like them, so
my husband doesn't.
But my next thing is I just eat a ton of cruciferous veggies and foods that have sulfur in them because they also are major detoxifiers. So any kind of broccoli and kale and Brussels sprouts and bok choy and dandelion greens and arugula and all of those things, I can't get enough. I eat it raw and I eat them cooked, both. So I usually do both in the day, raw salads, and then I do cooked roasted veggies also too. So those are really phenomenal and easy.
Wonderful, wonderful. All right, let's go for another one. I'm going to go for cranberries. Cranberries, a little bit more of an unusual one, but we want to have those red berries with all those anthocyanins, the antioxidants, because when we think of detoxing, you're not just purging, you're basically supporting all of your organs in your body to do what they do so well. And one of the most antioxidant-rich fruits out of all the fruits is cranberries. So what I would say is just get frozen cranberries if you can't get fresh ones year-round, frozen organic cranberries, throw them in a smoothie. Done and done.
Easy. I love cranberries and pomegranates too. But
yes.
My next one are blueberries. Wild blueberries you can buy like at Trader Joe's or a lot of places these days. They are major antioxidant foods and they lower inflammation. And they also have a way of potentially detoxing the brain. So we all want to be mentally clear and alert in our old age. We're all thinking about that. So yes, throw those blueberries, those frozen blueberries into into smoothies, also into a salad or into your muffins or gluten-free, low-sugar muffins.
Oh my gosh, delicious. All right, I'll go for the next one. I am going to go for my go-to all the time, which is flax seed. It's my panacea of all ills. But when we're detoxing, we want to think of fiber, and you want to really, really up your fiber. Think of it like a rota-rooter. Did I say that right? Through your entire system. So you really want to increase that fiber. And flaxseed, as I've explained in many of my other videos, I have an entire video just on flaxseed. It's long, how to buy it, store it, eat it, the whole cook with it. But know that to support your natural systems of detoxification, having 2 tablespoons of ground flax a day is a very good thing. Over to you.
Woo! Flax was one of mine too, so we had to kind of fight on that one.
Yes.
Because I wanted to say that as well. I mean, I definitely think that's a daily thing, and that is something easy. I get Spectrum at the store, Spectrum cold milk.
Yes.
So it never hits a heat source, which I absolutely love. But my next one. You're gonna think, wow, this is so simple, but for some reason we don't think about it. Is water with lemon. Water with lemon is very detoxifying for the intestines, and it's alkalining, and also we don't drink enough water because our bodies are detoxing throughout the night. Our liver is doing its work on getting the chemicals and pesticides and all the pathogens out of the system and getting ready to excrete them out the body. And we get up and we go right for that coffee or that tea, and we're dehydrated. So in the morning, a mandatory 16 ounces of water with some lemon. That's mine.
Fantastic. We speak the same language here. I'm going to go with I'm going to go with a supplement, and it's one of the few supplements that I think is extremely beneficial for liver detoxification, and that is glutathione. But it's a funny old supplement, glutathione, because it's very difficult to stay active and to get one that really is active in your body and does its job. So I will put a link to one of the few glutathione supplements that I think is a really is going to do its job. I'll put that underneath the video. But that is not for everybody. But if you really feel that your system is sluggish, that you're unwell, that you really need to detox, then you might want to look into glutathione.
I love glutathione. I know. This is so fun. I didn't think I was going to have this much fun. I am a supplement queen. I love to try them over the years. I might have tried everything out there so far, but mine is Innate Response Detox. And it has some incredible things in it. Innate Response is a fabulous company. It's a small company. They very much oversee everything that they do. So they put out a supplement that's very high quality, not a lot of fillers or no fillers in it. So, but it has like milk thistle and dandelion, and it has NAC in it. It has Chassandra-berry. It is phenomenal for the liver, and that is something that I focus on a lot, is that liver. That liver is something we need to clean up, all of us, even me included, even after I eat so well. But the liver is where everything is processed. So we'll put a link to that too.
We'll pop a link to that. Everyone's going to want to know. The link will be there. Okay, I'm going to go for the next one. I have one more, and then I think you have one more.
Right.
and I haven't been keeping a tally, but I think we've got almost 10. Right. So the next one I'm going to do is a probiotic, because a part of our detoxification system is our gut. And if our gut is impaired and it's not functioning, if our microbiome isn't healthy, then again, we're not going to detox as well as we should. So a really good probiotic. Now, there are so many different probiotic brands. Do you have one that you like?
I do. It's called Seed, SEED.
Okay,
It's
so
a human strain.
oh, it is. All right, so that
Probiotic too.
it is great. So that link is. I'm so glad. I'm so excited to check this out. That link is going underneath the video. In my other videos, I recommend lots of other brands. I'm not going to now, but we'll put Elissa's, since it's her interview. We'll put that underneath. Okay, and
There are
finally,
other ones that are good. We could put those too.
We'll give
Are
you 2 or
easier
3
to
choices.
access. Yeah.
Yes.
Oh gosh, I was going to do one, but I just decided I think
Save the best till last.
Okay,
This is the best. This is the one that we
magnesium.
promised. Yes.
is a no-brainer, and because it really helps with 300 different enzymatic processes in the body. So if you take magnesium before you go to bed, everyone should be taking it. And Innate Response makes a food-based magnesium that I love, and it's 300 milligrams, perfect, 2 capsules before you go to bed. It also helps you sleep, relaxes the central nervous system, the muscles.
I love magnesium.
Yeah.
Wow, those are some really fantastic tips. Also, you can download my free overnight detox cheat sheet, which I'll put underneath. I have to get that for you underneath this video. But thank you so much, Elissa. Lots more, because as Elissa mentioned, she's a cancer survivor. She's healed herself from Hashimoto's. She has so much, a wealth of knowledge to share. And as you can see, she's absolutely gorgeous inside and out. So check out the other videos, and thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.
Bye.
That was so fun.
Bye. Hi, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, there are hundreds more. And please also visit my blog at sophieuliano.com for detailed reviews, recipes, DIYs, and more.